harbour wall. Gulls cry out as the shadows fall. Quiet station by the sea, standing watch for you and me. Cliffs of stone and the restless tide, grey waves rolling far and wide. You might pass and never know what those harbour lights can show. No metal shining in the rain, just ordinary hearts again. Not all heroes wear capes in the storm. Some wear courage weather-worn, standing ready night and day. When the Mayday calls their way, from the harbour to default, they will bring the lost ones home. Through the darkness, through the spray, St Abbs Lifeboat leads the way. Storm clouds gather on the bay, northern winds begin to sway, and the village lights appear, knowing someone's always near. When the pager breaks the night, boots hit stone and engines light. Every soul who hears the cry knows the sea can't be denied. From quiet streets to raging sea, ordinary bravery. When the storm begins to rise, hope is launching through the skies. Not all heroes wear capes at sea. Some got hope silently. Through the breakers, through the spray, they will find another way. When the darkest nights unfold, braver hearts than stories told. From the harbour to the foam, St Abbs Lifeboat brings them home.
If you enjoyed this footage, please like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me and costs you now.